know, guys, I do beauty care, health care, and I give beauty tips and educational advice how to take care of yourself, and also how to get your natural herbs and what is good for you and what is not good for you. So, to update you, I've started a new segment on my channel. We used to have this segment called the Alikare Show. We have transferred that segment to my new channel, which is Alikare TV. Why we do that? Because Alikare TV can host any such content, but Alikare is kind of more of my beauty lifestyle, for my clients, for giving you advice and giving the world tips and healthcare and more. So we decided, because we have a lot of games and challenge and all those things that is not compatible with this channel, we have moved the segment to Alikare TV's channel. But to replace that segment, I've come up with Deeper Than Beauty, and that's a segment that will start hosting on the Alikare, which is this channel that you're watching. So Deeper Than Beauty, where I will have clients that I will host. I'll host those clients. Basically, we will have chit chat whether on their lifestyle, what they're doing in their day-to-day lives. We will chit chat. Some clients will maybe be shy to talk, some don't mind talk, some people will give you their struggles and healthcare and also tips on their nails and so forth, what they go through on a day-to-day basis, their maintenance level, what product they use, what they prefer. And some clients will also be able to tell us what their dislike of visiting other salons and the products that they use in their hair that they don't like and the one that they like. So that is the segment that we'll start having here. We will chit chat fun and we'll do some makeover, whether it's fashion, we'll do massage interview, body scrub, you name it, that will happen. And the Deeper Than Beauty and the Alikare channel, which is this channel. I hope you will stay tuned with me. All segments may not be the same time level. The time will vary depending on what we will be doing to the client. Now, if you want to be a member of this episode of the Alikare Deeper Than Beauty, all you need to do is comment below your email and I will send you a form and you can fill the form out, and then we will email you with the approval date. Now, all the treatments that you will receive and the Alikare Deeper Than Beauty, you will not pay for the service. However, you will pay a 3,000 Jamaican dollar membership fee per month. To be a part of the show, you have to be in Jamaica, and wherever you are in Jamaica, you can still come in Kingston to be a part of the show. You are welcome. So just comment your email below and I'll give you the acceptance form to fill out. This is just an update. A show will follow to give you a basic idea of what it is about. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. And if you want to donate to our show, my PayPal is in the link. Even $1 will be okay. And also, if you want more tips on beauty care, go to alikare.club. The fashion and clothes that we'll be using is from the Alikare online store, which is alikare.com. So you go to alikare.com for buying anything from us, and we ship worldwide. Subscribe to our newsletter on the alikare.com and have a chance to win a coupon. My book name is Mother Earth Natural Beauty Recipe. It's on Kindle and it's also on Amazon, which is the same company, but either one you type in, you can get it. Also, please note that you can read the first two pages before you decide you buy it. What the book is about, it's about facial care, how to take care of your skin and all the obstacles that you've been going through to finding products and to choose what is best for your skin. Once you buy that book, you will get all the answers that you need, and I hope that it will bring you some joy of not having the difficulties to take care of your skin anymore. For everything beauty, hair, natural and more, Deeper Than Beauty will bring you just about that. You will see inside work on everything that we do. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you will follow us on our journey and subscribe, like, share and comment.